something amazing?
Yes!
Look at the size of these vegetables!
Whoa! Wow! How did they grow so big?
You really want to know?
Yes!
You really want to know?
Yes!
You really want to know? With Pooh! Don't worry, Billy. This is a special poop.
But that's impossible! Poop is so stinky.
This is not normal poop. This is manure!
But how can manure help plants grow?
Manure has all the good things that farm animals have eaten. When you plant the seeds with the manure in the soil, the plants grow strong and healthy. Special.
I can't grow. No, baby bot. He said plants, not robots. But can manure do other things?
Why, of course. Elephant manure makes paper.
Paper! Yay! For you.
Okay, growing plants and making paper. Can manure do anything else?
Sure. Camel manure can help make fire. I even read that manure can make fuel for vehicles.